Hello guys, welcome back. I have a POCO M3 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. To get started, hold the power key until you see the options, then choose power off and wait for the device to shut off. Once it has, hold the power key and volume up both of them at the same time. There we go. Now navigate in this menu using the volume keys, as touch doesn't seem to do anything. Select Wipe Data, confirm it with the power key, then confirm it once more with the power key. Scroll down, press the power key, and it will begin. At this stage, it takes just a couple of seconds. Now press the power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot and continue the reset in the background. It will take a little longer than usual for the device to turn back on, but once finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. As you can see, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.